What is that?
It's a raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
What's in your car seat?
That is a kitty? Oh my goodness.
Okay, I don't... Mango looks like she's not having a good time.
Where did you learn to sit like that? Oh.
Are you ready to give the kitty back to his mommy?
No.
Cause what the hell? Why would you do that? What is happening?
What do you have in your bucket?
Aw. This poor fucking cat. It should have been back in the bucket by now.
I don't like it either.
Whose cat is that?
Mom, you told it.
No, I don't want it.
No, they don't bite.
Pretty little baby, you say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to